10 money-making ideas by using Chat GTP. As an AI language model, I'm not capable of generating money directly. However, I can suggest some ideas that might help you make money by utilizing my capabilities. Here are a few suggestions. Content creation. If you have a blog, YouTube channel, or any other online platform, you can use me to generate high-quality content. You can create content on various topics, such as technology, finance, education, and more, that can attract a wide audience and generate revenue through advertising, sponsorships, or product sales. Chatbot development. As an AI language model, I can be used to develop chatbots for businesses. Chatbots can automate customer service and support, improving the customer experience and saving businesses time and money. You can offer your chatbot development services to businesses and charge a fee for your work. Online teaching and tutoring. You can use my capabilities to provide online teaching and tutoring services to students. With my help, you can create high-quality educational content that can help students learn and improve their academic performance. You can charge a fee for your services either by the hour or by the course. Language translation. If you speak more than one language, you can use me to translate text from one language to another. You can offer your translation services to businesses, individuals, or organizations that need to translate documents or other types of content. You can charge a fee per word or per project. Writing assistance. If you are a writer, you can use me to assist you in writing articles, reports, or other types of content. With my help, you can improve the quality of your writing and produce more content in less time. You can offer your writing services to businesses, individuals, or organizations that need high-quality content. Number 1. Chatbot creation services. Develop custom chatbots using Chat GTP to automate customer service and support, lead generation, or other business processes, and offer your services to companies for a fee. Number 2. Language translation services. Use Chat GTP to translate text from one language to another and offer your translation services to individuals and businesses for a fee. Number 3. Online writing services. Utilize Chat GTP's capabilities to assist you in writing high-quality content for websites, blogs, or social media, and offer your writing services to businesses, bloggers, and influencers. Number 4. Online teaching or tutoring services. Use Chat GTP to develop educational content and offer online teaching or tutoring services in various subjects, such as languages, math, science, or programming. Number 5. Content marketing services. Use Chat GTP to create content marketing strategies, including blog posts, social media content, and video scripts, and offer your services. Number 6. Social media management services. Use Chat GTP to develop social media content calendars, write captions and hashtags, and offer social media management services to businesses, influencers, and content creators. Number 7. Copywriting services. Use Chat GTP to develop powerful headlines and persuasive sales copy and offer your copywriting services to businesses, marketers, and advertisers. Number 8. Personalized shopping assistance. Use Chat GTP to provide personalized shopping assistance and recommendations to consumers through a chatbot or messaging platform and earn commissions on sales. Number 9. Customer feedback analysis services. Use Chat GTP to analyze customer feedback and reviews, and offer your services to businesses for a fee to help them improve their products and services. Like and subscribe.